Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Audi Q3. So first of all, select your iTunes. You see there that now at the bottom there's a red triangle with 3 red circles, and you can see there's a tick by Audi. So this is going to play. I'm going to turn that down there. We'll go back, click play. Now I go here to media, and that's actually come onto my phone straight away, but you may have to click it a couple of times because it's if it's on radio, you click media, that's on the CDs that's already in, that's on an SD card, and then I think that this one will be, yes, my phone. So now if I turn this up, getting confused there, so if I turn this up and then I turn my phone, I can only do it quickly, otherwise I'll get a copyright infringement, but there you go, that's my phone playing through this system. Really easy, and it's a great system in the Audi. You'll be really pleased with it. Thanks for watching.